Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mega to share files step by step. Mega makes it easy to share files and folders securely with anyone using a link. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Mega website. Then sign in to your Mega account. Once you're signed in, open your cloud drive. If your file isn't uploaded yet, click Upload. Then select File Upload. Choose the file you want to share. Next, click Open. Wait for the upload to finish. Now, right-click the file you want to share. Then select Get Link. Choose whether you want to include the encryption key in the link. Next, click Copy Link. The sharing link is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste the link into an email, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any messaging app to share it with others. If you want to stop sharing the file later, right-click the file again. Then select Manage Link or Remove Link, depending on your version of Mega. And that's it. You've successfully shared a file using Mega. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cloud storage tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.